it'd be great to hear about a bit about your background, the backstory and the origin of DroneWorks.
Before drones, I'm a software engineer, was working as a contractor and consultant, mostly involved in back-end automations, data processing, and bringing efficiencies to streamline workflows. Alongside that, I'm a bit of a geek and into my gadgets, and when the original Mavic Pro came out, I was just really interested, in drones in general. But when I actually got hold of one, I realized that if you collect the data in the correct way, and you have the right software to manage that data, you can do some really useful things with it and produce some useful deliverables. Around this time, I was also a member, and still am, of Drones SAR for Lost Dogs. It's a really good network of volunteer pilots across the country that help volunteer go looking for people's dogs when they've bolted across the moors, for example. And it was through that group that an opportunity came up to do the PFCO, permission for commercial operations, which is now the operational authorization. And I really just did that out of interest, and that's really when the cogs started turning and the ideas started really coming out. And for me, more interested in the data side, that if we collect this information properly with a drone, and it's hugely time saving on site, we can then save time off site using the software. And that's how it all came about, and that was 4 years ago. Been full time with it for 3 years now, and it's going from strength to strength.